Good morning again to all. While I was from Sarai, I just want to give speech on the topic money. So I just want to tell you that as we all know very well, we are studying for the money. Just in the future, still we are doing any work for earning the money, and we are living for only on the money as per my knowledge. And just I just want to give you some advice. If as the I noticed some matters in the class that all have given the speech, some speech. So I have noticed the some points as ma'am gave a speech on the topic attitude. Just I just want to tell about that they were telling you. She was telling us that attitude. There are many person who have bad attitude and also the good attitude. So I just want to tell you that if you have attitude, then it is the you can't know that you have attitude. Any other person will know that you have attitude or not. Just it is the their thoughts that how they are looking you, and how they are defining the things about yourself. And just I want to tell you, if someone is jealous, someone is feeling jealous to you, then make him jealous more. For earning the money, we should use the, as we shows on the many, as I told about social media, then we can also take the many motivational things on the social media. Just you may found the things, and just to earn money, make the good connections of those person who are elder than you, who have a good knowledge better than you. Just make the connections with them, then after you can success, you can surely success in your life with a good way. And just about the about our life, just we are studying, many people are, everyone is studying for earning the money, for taking the jobs, but still they are they are reading and they are going at that side. The population is also going at that side. Firstly, we should take a good place that where we will have to go. And just I will just advise that we should find that place where population doesn't want to go. As just I saw many students are saying they want to do UPSC. They just want to go at the IAS, IPS. They are just saying till still they are in the 10th class. In the under the 10th class, they have a big dreams. But after that, they seems that I should earn money as well as I can. Just if you have a target to earn money, then then don't chase your target and be show the persons to be successful. I just want to tell you, the when the storm will come, then it means everything will be silent, then storm will come suddenly. Then use this thing. And if you are just trying to do anything, then firstly make yourself silent, then after take a suddenly take a good decision. And for the earning money, we should have also a good management to take our money, that how can we manage our money. If as well as we know very well that many people are saying that if you have a lot money, then you can control your money, you have a many tension. That in the villagers are they are saying mostly that if you have more money, they can't sleep at the night. But I just want to tell, if you have more money, then you can sleep in AC. It's a very fantastic thing that nowadays you can feel that the farmers are saying, we are still fine, we have no money, just we are to earn, and we are to survive only, we are just earning for the survive. But become a person, that everyone demand you. Firstly, mean make a person that everyone should demand you. As the you can see the biggest persons who are the richest person, how they are controlling their money, how they are starting a good businesses. They have a good money and they are starting their businesses. And as it's a thing that money makes money. If you have a money, then try to get more money by your money. We should have also a good platform. We should have also good knowledge about that how can we increase our money by money. As there are many people who have lot of money, but they are not increasing their money. Many person are saying buy the we should buy we should buy our earth. What is that? What is the English meaning of Jameen Jaijat? Property. We should buy the property, then we can increase our money very well. But just still we can see that our luck is also going with you. I mean, with us, our luck is also going with us. If still you are buying a property, as it's a news that there are many highways are going on. I mean, our government is building our many highways, so it's also your luck that your property will come on the highway property. Then it's also, I thought that it's your luck. And make yourself better to source the others, as I told you about the management. So one thing is, we should know about the risk management. As according to my future plan, it's a very important thing for me. I just don't know about the others. That future, according to my future plan, I should learn risk management. And in the last, I just want to say you, uh, love to love to risk. I mean, risk says so. Live your life. Thank you.